Hey people, Reaper here. So, just a quick one today. So what we have delivered today, courtesy of Australia Post, and check out that mad shipping. Australia Post at its finest, but I digress. So what we have today, guys, we have the Caldigit TS4 Thunderbolt station. Now what this contains is 18 ports. So this has Type-C, Type-A, DisplayPort, power, what have you. This also is capable of doing 98 watts of charging, capable of powering dual 4K screens at 60 Hz. This can do a single 8K display. This also has SD and mini SD capabilities and 2.5 gig Ethernet. Okay, so let's get the show on the road and let's get this unboxed. Okay, and where are we? Okay, so of course there's a flap. Yep, yeah, the boys. Alrighty. Alright, so quick start guide, QR code, do you need that stuff? All very well and good. Okay, and the unit itself. Good lord. This is a hefty boy. Okay, and I can't get the perfect peel. Rip. This tape. Ah, well. Okay. This... Okay, so... Something so hefty with such power. Alrighty guys, so that's what we have here. 2.5 gig Ethernet. This is your power in. Kensington lock. Basically you have 4 USB-A. You have charging via Thunderbolt 4. It says power delivery. More Thunderbolt ports. You have a full DisplayPort 1.4. So headphone, microphone, USB-C data. Okay, and there's also on the side here. So it says Caldigit Thunderbolt Dock station. Okay, wow. Okay, what do we have on the front? Okay, so we have both SD cards, so both micro and full size. Headphone jack dedicated. Okay, so USB-A for charging and 20 watt for charging and data. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so what else is in the box? So I'll put that aside for just one moment. Probably should look at getting an overhead camera. Nailed it. Nothing but professional here. Okay, so we have power cable for Australian plug. If you were to buy this in your relevant country, this would come with your relevant power plug. Okay, so rubber feet installation guide. Man, am I happy they included that, because without that I'd be lost. Okay, so warranty information, bag it and tag it. Okay. So this is the Thunderbolt cable. Certified. Okay, and ooh. Even says it on the cable. Okay, what else? We have, good lord, have the chonky boy itself, which powers the whole device. Damn. Okay, nothing else? Alright, let's put that to the side. Okay, and Okay, so we have power brick. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy. Okay, so this is, how many watts is this? Okay, so 240 volt, 3 amps, 230 watts. There we go. So 230 watts worth of power. Okay, so I have that. And actually, I'm curious. What weighs more? Because this thing is a bit hefty. This or my MacBook? Let's find out. Alrighty guys, now we're back over here with my very professional camera setup. Okay, so this is the Thunderbolt dock on the side. This is my MacBook Air. Okay, so let's... Oh, okay. My MacBook Air it's only just slightly heavier, but the fact that this weighs a similar amount to the full laptop and this is just a dock, that's wow. I don't know if that's impressive or scary, but let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, just with that being said, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.